Are your HVAC offers cutting into your profits instead of boosting them? In this presentation, we'll explore how to move beyond basic discounting strategies that attract price shoppers and eat away at your margins. You'll learn specific, actionable strategies to create value-stacked offers that appeal to quality customers while protecting your profitability. Hey HVAC pros! Let's talk about your offers. If your ads say things like $29 tune-up or $500 off new system, you're leaving serious money on the table. These discount-driven promotions might generate calls, but they're attracting the wrong type of customer and conditioning your market to expect rock-bottom pricing. Discount-based marketing creates a race to the bottom, where you're competing solely on price rather than value, experience, or quality. This approach not only hurts your immediate revenue but damages your brand positioning long-term, making it harder to command premium prices for premium service. Discount offers attract price shoppers. They don't value your expertise. They stick around only until the next company offers a deeper discount, and they rarely convert into high-ticket jobs. These customers typically have the highest service expectations while being most resistant to paying for additional work. The data shows that discount-first customers have significantly lower lifetime value compared to those who choose you based on quality, reliability, or responsiveness. They are less likely to leave positive reviews or more loyal and less likely to refer friends and family to your business. Instead of slashing prices, use value-stacked offers that feel like a deal but protect your margins. These carefully structured promotions bundle services or add meaningful guarantees that increase perceived value without significantly increasing your costs. This approach attracts customers who appreciate quality while still offering perceived value. Value stacking works because it shifts the conversation from how cheap to how much value. It positions your company as both generous and premium, a combination that builds trust and overcomes price objections. Here are 3 proven offers you can implement immediately in your HVAC business. This offer attracts people who need help now. You win a same-day revenue job at full price, and you get inside the home for long-term relationship building. The customer perceives significant value in the free tune-up, while you gain the opportunity to identify and address additional issues during your service visit. What makes this offer powerful is its ability to attract customers with an immediate need. They're calling about a problem, not shopping for the cheapest maintenance price. This means they're already qualified as people willing to spend money to solve a problem, which helps the customer profile you want. This high perceived value offer builds urgency and creates potential future service calls if the unit fails. By adding a guarantee, you transform a basic tune-up into a confidence-inspiring package that empowers your commitment to customer satisfaction and system reliability. The beauty of this offer is that customers have skin in the game. They've paid something, which reduces cancellations and no-shows. But they are also getting peace of mind through the guarantee, which feels like insurance against future problems. For you, the actual financial risk is minimal since properly serviced units rarely fail immediately. Stop quoting a $10,000 installation. Start advertising a $97 per month comfort plan. The big difference in how homeowners react to these 2 presentations can dramatically improve your conversion rates on high-ticket items, the highest grossing services in your business. This financing-focused offer works exceptionally well for larger purchases because it makes expensive equipment feel affordable. By emphasizing the monthly payment rather than the total cost, you help customers focus on the value they'll receive rather than the price. This approach also naturally qualifies customers based on creditworthiness rather than price sensitivity. When you shift from discounting to smart positioning, you attract the right customers, the ones who care about comfort, quality, and reliability. These customers make decisions based on value rather than just price, leading to higher average tickets, more frequent upsells, and stronger long-term relationships. Quality-focused customers tend to have more reasonable expectations, offer more referrals, and provide better reviews. As you invest more in maintenance plans and upgrades, creating predictable recurring revenue for your business, by repositioning your offers, you can gradually transform your customer base into one that values quality over discounts. Want offer templates, ad scripts, or landing page copy that's proven to convert? Visit ai.brookdigitalsolutions.com/homepage for ready-to-use marketing materials designed specifically for HVAC businesses. These resources will help you implement the value stacking strategies we've discussed and start attracting higher quality customers immediately. Remember, the shift from discount-based to value-based marketing won't happen overnight, but even implementing one of these offers can begin to transform your customer base and your profitability. Take action today to position your business as the premium choice in your market, not just the cheapest option.